In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in GoDaddy's website builder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your website with new content or just refining your layout, adding a text box is an essential skill you'll need to master. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your GoDaddy product page. This is the central hub for managing all your GoDaddy services. Once you're there, locate the website you'd like to edit. You'll see an option that says Edit Website. Go ahead and click on that, as it will take you into the website editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the website editor, the next step is to navigate to the specific section of your page where you wish to insert the new text box. Take your time to scroll through the different sections of your site until you find the right spot. It could be your home page, an about page, or any other section where you think some additional text might belong. Identifying the correct location is key to maintaining a coherent and visually pleasing layout. Once you've pinpointed where you want your text box to go, look for the plus icon. This is usually located near the section boundaries and is your gateway to adding new content. When you click this icon, a menu of different sections and content types will appear. Here, you get to unleash your creativity. From the menu that appears, look for a layout that includes a text box. GoDaddy provides several pre-designed layouts that allow you to seamlessly integrate a text box into your existing design. Choose the one that best suits your style and needs. Remember, each layout can always be customized later, so don't worry too much if you don't pick the perfect one on your first try. After selecting the layout, you'll see a placeholder text box appear in the location you chose earlier. Clicking on this text box will enable you to add and edit your text. This part is all about crafting the message you want to convey to your website visitors. Keep your text clear and concise, and, if possible, align it with your overall website theme and purpose. This ensures that your content is not only informative but also visually appealing. Finally, after you're satisfied with the text you've added and customized, it's important to publish your changes. Look for the Publish button, usually located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this will make your changes live, updating your website for the world to see. Remember, making regular updates and tweaks to your site is a great way to keep your content fresh and engaging. And there you have it. You've successfully added a text box to your GoDaddy website builder. With these easy steps, you can enhance your website's content and improve user engagement. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.